Hi there guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will be reviewing a gaming earbuds called M25. They have a unique look and unique design, and we're gonna find out whether they are any good. Well, you know what they say, stick around and find out. And it looks quite impressive, obviously. See, it's pretty unique looking. In terms of design, not your typical, round edges. And all hidden screws and gold glued up. It's got a proper screws there. It's got a proper, like a authentic look, as if it's been made for the man. Those earbuds, they not the easiest one to stay in. They do pop out from time to time because they are a lot bigger. And that is itself, that carrying case is bigger, it's well bulkier, not something you can sneak into your little jeans pocket. You need a bigger place for that, probably coat. Yeah, and so basically we tried connecting it to iPhone. It was quick and easy. And they have the covers and the charger. Those are the covers, so you need to change them. It's a short one though. And there's a manual. And manual is small and sweet. Looks all impressive. But obviously, that's all it is. It's not that expensive, and it's not, like they're claiming it's a gaming handset. Might be, I didn't find no difference. City Voice skull activated, SD Voice waterproof, and wireless version is RE 5.3. And obviously 10 meters away as far as you can go before it disconnects. And it looks good in your hand, and they're not bad injuries either, as long as they are in there.